Emily Schleicher. I am VP of Sales for Oxford Medical Simulation over here in the US. I am a nurse and simulation educator by background, and we are OMS, or Oxford Medical Simulation. What we do is we take all of the things that we love and know work in a live simulation environment and put that into a virtual world, making it more easily accessible, making it repeatable, making it standardized yet individualized to that learner's needs. And we have been very fortunate to do that, expanding across the breadth and the depth of our content over the last couple of years. We have scenarios that are geared towards nursing, towards medicine, towards our other advanced practice providers. We have single player, multiplayer, multi-patient, voice interactive scenarios, hand control scenarios to practice procedures. We are looking at content across the curriculum to really help our educators scaffold their learning from the very beginning of the program all the way through to practice. So we're working with nursing schools, medical schools, health systems across nurse residency, medical residency, and really trying to help bring that opportunity to practice at the bedside, in the sim center, wherever they need to practice. I personally have the opportunity to work with a few online universities as well who are getting those headsets in their students' hands at the moment of admission so they can be practicing from home, which is really what we wanted to do, be able to scale that delivery. What we've got going on over here is we have Jessa with a nursing professor in a headset for the very first time. And so she's kind of starting her journey to explore what's out there. What are the different scenarios that I can pull into my curriculum to help my faculty, to help my students? For me personally as an educator, one of the things that really I found helped me the most was being able to provide that instant feedback to my learners of this is what went well, here are the areas for improvement. As a sim faculty, you can only be in so many places at so many times. So to be able to provide that standardized experience but still get that individualized care with my learners was really important. On the back end as well, I've got all that data and analytics that I can pull from and see how are my learners doing, how my program's doing, what are my areas for improvement. Over here as well, we have OMS Create. So I mentioned the different types of scenarios. We also have the opportunity to edit or modify the scenarios that we have to further integrate that into your curriculum so you can align that with the textbooks that you're using, with the guidelines or the policies or procedures at that specific hospital setting. You can take a look at your needs assessment and what are the scenarios that we need, and you can use OMS Create to create those on your own. Last thing I'll mention is that in addition to the incredible product, we also have an incredible team. So we have a whole success team who's dedicated to making sure that when you use the product, it's really driving that impact that you needed, whether it's missed clinical hours or more simulation reps, better NCLEX scores, better patient care and safety in general. So that's a little overview of OMS, including our team and all of our content.